If you are considering adding a German Shepherd or any other dogs to your family or already own one, many things are necessary to be a responsible pet owner. Some are free like time, patience, and love, and others need to be purchased like food, a dog bed, blanket, and crate, toys, leash, and collar. Another detail that can quickly turn into a large payment is not something material. It's your shepherd's health. German shepherds need to have regular veterinary visits, and although we get our pup from a reputable breeder, feed them high-quality pet food, and give them plenty of exercise and rest, there is no guarantee that they will never suffer from any illnesses, diseases, or injuries. Unfortunately, the medical bill can quickly add up. There are two questions you may have. Is health insurance available for dogs? Yes. Many types of pet insurance can be found today. Should I invest in pet insurance? This is a matter of preference, but in today's world with rising costs, it would be wise to have pet insurance. In the following video, I will answer the question, is dog insurance necessary? You have health insurance for yourself, and it's often required by law and also very necessary considering the high cost of some doctor visits, especially specialists, diagnostic testing, medical procedures, surgeries, and prescription medication. We can try to eat healthily and exercise, but disease happens and so do accidents. Unfortunately, this is the case for German Shepherds. They may be healthy their entire life, but purebred dogs have greater incidences of acquiring a disease that is inherited, more so than mixed breed dogs. Hip dysplasia is often found in breeds that have larger body frames, and the German Shepherd is one of these breeds. You may be thinking that you also pay for homeowners insurance, but you've never used it. We all pay for home and car insurance, and we hope we never do have to use it, but it is there to ensure that if the time comes we aren't going to owe a boatload of money or have nowhere to live. Dog insurance is not required or necessary for your German Shepherd, but you don't own a crystal ball to see into the future either. The problem is that veterinary costs can be quite staggering, especially if your pup suffers from a disease or requires an emergency visit to an animal hospital. Routine office visits can range from $45 to $200 depending on exams, lab work, and vaccines. Those visits will not kill your wallet, and routine visits may not be covered by insurance depending on your policy. An emergency visit, however, can top off at $2,000 or even more. When faced with an emergency in your shepherd's health, you aren't thinking of the cost until you are handed the bill. Gone are the days of the country veterinarian who made house calls and accepted a jar of jam as payment for delivering puppies or a calf. If you take any prescription drugs, keep in mind that pet medications are usually more expensive. A veterinarian can often prescribe a generic human drug for your pup, but if a specific drug is available for animals, your vet cannot offer the generic human medication, which would be cheaper, leaving you no option but to pay more. Prescriptions are covered by many insurance plans. Dogs with certain digestive diseases or even out-of-control food allergies may require prescription pet food. This food is quite expensive but often covered by insurance plans. The link in the description below explains the types of dog insurance in more detail.